Well. So the trade is going on nicely. As you can see, it's on the daily here. I'm watching this price behavior, and if you can see critically, you can see. Let me delete this. If you can see a form of resistance around this zone. I see a resistance right from here. Price has tested it here, here, and here. So this is the fifth time that price has come to test this resistance here at 163.624. So as it is now, price is retracing, and I'm looking for a sell opportunity. There could be a breakout soon, but now I don't think it will occur, but it might. So if you look at it critically, it looks, it's a triangle. It's a triangle, and I'm expecting a breakout this way, a breakout this way. It might not happen, but it might. So this is not where I want to take the trade. I will zoom into H4. H4, you can see this is what I was talking about. You can see this resistance head here, and here. My interest is on, let me zoom in a bit more. This H2. Still, I don't have any interest here. So my interest actually is on H1, on the 1 hour time frame. So this is what I want you to look at. Let me bring out my Fibonacci tool and measure from the swing high here to this swing low here. You can see from this swing high to this swing low, you can see the retracement up to 50% Fibonacci level. So I'll be considering this, and if you look at this critically by Fibonacci measurement, let me try it out for you to see clearly. So this is my area of interest here down to this place. So this is my interest. Then from here, from 88.6 Fibonacci level down to this swing low. So this is my area of interest. This is where I want to enter the trade without risking much of my fund. Without risking much of my fund, I'm considering a trade between this zone. Alright. So from 88.6 Fibonacci level to 113 Fibonacci level, I'll be selling this pair at this range. So guys, this is my analysis, and let me quickly discuss a bit on my entry. So if price gets to this place, this point, let me draw it, let me put a line to mark it out. If price gets to this point, I'll be selling this. Well, my area of interest though is this rectangle that you are seeing here. I can sell at any point, but if price can get to this point, it will be much more better for me. But once it enters, I'm going to sell this. So for now, put that in mind. I'm selling in this rectangle. It could be at the early entry, it could be at this extreme point, but I'm going to sell it in batches. I could take a short position like 4 different times depending on how price goes. So I'll be watching price action keenly. Hello, I'm back. So I manually entered the first time here. You can see I entered this first trade. So I set sell limits above this region, because the higher price goes into the PRC, the lesser my risk becomes. So usually I set sell limits as much as possible, but as it is now, I don't think price will be coming this high, because you can see how has started heading south. So whatever the outcome may be, I'll just stay and be watching. Price may still reverse back and trigger the whole stop loss. I even go to trigger my stop loss before continuing northward or even downward. How this trade is going to play out, I can't really say, but I have done what I think how it's going to play out. My bias is a bearish trend, so my dollar is on this. I'll watch out. I'll keep updating the video. At the end, I'll release it. Well. So the trade is going on nicely. As you can see, it's heading south, which is where I want it to head. So I'm going to set my take profits right now. As it is, the first take profit has been hit. So my first take profit is here, which has been hit, as you are seeing. Second one, I'll put it at 50% Fibonacci retracement. Third one, 61.8 Fibonacci level. 61.8 Fibonacci level is where my third take profit will be. Then the next one, hopefully, I don't know how price is going to behave. I'll be at 8.6 Fibonacci level. I'll be expecting price to get to this point, but it might not. So my guide is actually price action. I'll be watching price behavior. So if you look at it critically, we have this bearish close here, 1, 2, then the bullish close, 3, 4, 5. So we have had this is the fifth bearish candle that will be closing in a few minutes time, let's say in 30 minutes time. So as it is, you can see how it's held in. Let me draw this, how it's held in down. I think I need to thicken this a little too. So that you can see it clearly. I don't know how much you are seeing it. Let me make it a bit thicker. Alright, so you can see how the price is crashing. So I'll draw this down. Once a bullish candle closes above this, I'll start considering exiting the trade. If I have a candle that closes this way, right outside this candle, I'll watch the health of the candle, the bullish candle critically. It might be at this TP1, it might even be at this TP2 or TP3. I don't know where it will occur, but once a candle closes outside this trend line, it shows there is a shift from how price is behaving. So that is part of the price action that I've been emphasizing. You can see this candle closes, the next one closed same way, then we have the bullish, fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. So once this trend is broken, it might be a change in the market environment. So that will guide me on when to exit this trade. But as it is now, everything is going on perfectly well, just as I want it to be. Hello, I'm back. You can see the trade has run its course. TP1 was hit. The bar that hit TP1 also hit TP2. After that, there was this huge pullback, and you can see, earlier I made mention of this trend line, that once a candle closes above it, there is no need for you to be in the market, to be in that trade. Let me zoom in so that you can see. So you can see clearly here, once a candle closes above this, you have no business being in that trade any longer. Then this pullback, you can see this huge pullback here. If you experience something like this, you don't need to be in this trade. Immediately seeing this, I'm waiting to see what this next candle is, and there was a pullback here. I just have to close the trade. So as it is now, price may head back into the PRC. And if that occurs, I'll watch price action carefully and still short this trade. So whenever you are in a trade such as this, you study the price action. As this is now, you can see this bearish trend line that was forming previously, immediately it got broken. And even this pullback, just as I said previously, should tell you that this trade is changing, something is happening. I think a news came out also before this occurred. So that news, this is how the market reacted to it. So whenever you are trading something such as this, you have to be careful. Don't risk too much. Don't risk too much. Don't think you've known it all and you go and risk so much money. Then if you are new to Harmonic, I will advise you to first of all trade it on demo and get used to it. If you are a newbie, I will keep explaining until you get it. So if you have any question for me, let me know. If you want to be seeing my analysis and my posts, I will advise you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that whenever I publish something, you can see it immediately. So this is it from me, guys. See you in the next trade. Bye.